Well, what is going on, guys? I'm Neuralite Studios, and today I have a different video for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a motion or live action desktop wallpaper to your screens or monitors, whichever you're using. And I'm going to show you at the end how to add and duplicate the same one on your primary monitor to a secondary one as well. So first things first, what you're going to do is go to Lively Wallpapers. This site is free. It is secured. Let me go back. It's rockdanister.com. So you click on this one. Make sure it has this one is HTTPS. Don't confuse that with anything. Make sure it's not rogue. I'm not going to be giving you guys any bad websites or anything like that. So download this. Once you download this, it's going to install. I have Windows 11, so make sure that you guys are selecting the one for your operating system. If you have Windows 10, get Windows 10, and so on and so forth. So once you guys have downloaded that, you go down here to your search bar. Mine's already right here, but you type it in if it doesn't show up. Lively Wallpaper. So now here comes the fun part. So once this screen comes up, let's just say you don't have any of the ones that you downloaded from somewhere already. So let's just say you can choose any of these that they have by default. You can select it and it will show up. Now let's say you don't like any of these default ones that you get in here. So what you want to do is go to this plus symbol, select it. You can drag and drop one that you see, or let's say you have your File Explorer open already. You can do that, or you can choose a file from your hard drive or wherever you have pictures saved already. I already have the Goku one, so let's just say I want to choose a cityscape. So I'll choose this one. I'll hit open. You can leave the title as is. You don't have to add a description, author, or website. You click OK. Once this is done loading, it should show up automatically. If it doesn't, just select it and it should come up automatically. Now this is what this looks like. I think it's super cool. You have a hologram over here and it's moving, so all that good stuff. Now let's just say you want to also add the same wallpaper to another monitor that you have set up. So by default, this is going to say show selected screen only. So my number 1 screen is off to my right. Your number 2 or 3 screen may be off to your left or off to your right, somewhere over here or over here. So let's just say it's default selected just by just number 1. So what you do is you click this at the top. At the top, you'll see it next to the plus sign. Select it, duplicate same wallpaper, and always pick screen when choosing the wallpaper. So always select this too. Sometimes it may not save it, or it may only do one of them, or sometimes it won't select the one that you want to choose, so it'll just randomly select one. So once you do that, hit OK, and this wallpaper should go across both of your screens. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, comment, let me know if you have any questions or comments or concerns, anything like that. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys later. Peace.